So my garage door started stopping halfway open. Various places, sometimes it's a quarter of the way open when I'm running it. I haven't changed anything recently, so I don't think it's any of the settings on this. I think it probably is just dirty track and needs to be lubricated, so let's see if it does it. And that's what it does. So it stops part way. If you're dealing with this, probably the easiest thing to do is clean your tracks. I'm going to be using some brake part cleaner and a brass scrub brush and some gloves and rags to clean out the tracks up here in the garage, this bottom part. I stuck my finger in there the other day. There's a bunch of greasy, dirty buildup in there, and we want to get rid of that. We also want to lubricate all the hinges and the rollers and the roller pins. So for that, we'll be using, I've got 3-in-1 garage door lubricant. A white lithium grease will do. I chose this one because not only does it spray normally, it also has the built-in hose attachment, so you don't have to worry about losing that little straw that comes with some other manufacturers' versions. Wire brush I'm using here is brass. It's hard to see because it's dirty, but it's the yellow metal, not a steel brush. The reason for that is the garage door track up here, this is galvanized steel. That galvanization on there, the silver color, is what keeps it from rusting. And if it rusts, it's not going to roll very smoothly anymore. So I don't want to scratch that galvanized coating off. If I took a hard steel wire brush in here, I could end up scratching the galvanizing, and then we could get rusting. So you want to use a brass wire brush or even a stiff plastic when you're doing this. I've got everything cleaned up. Got all the dirt off of here. I'm going to go in and lubricate using my garage door lubricant. I'm going to use the hose attachment to get down into these pins. And then also spray the bearings over here without trying to get any excess onto the garage door track so they don't get dirty. And now I'm going to take a clean rag and just wipe off any excess to clean everything up. I'm going to test it now and see if it's opening smoothly. And you may want to cycle it a few times anyways just to get all the lubrication spread around. It seems to be going up smoothly and not stopping. If you have more than one garage door opener, I suggest you clean both garage doors at the same time. If one is getting dirty, the other one probably is too. If this doesn't fix your problem, there are a couple other things you can look at. There are settings on your garage door opener for how much force it puts into opening and closing. You could look at adjusting those, but in my case, I hadn't changed anything, so I knew if it was requiring more force to open it, that means there's something getting dirty in there. So I don't want to just turn the garage door opener up to force it to open. Because I could end up damaging something. Now, if it's a brand new garage door, that's something you may want to look at. So on this Genie garage door opener, to get to that, you open up this case, and there's tension buttons here in the back that you can adjust the tension or the force to open and close the garage door. They take a small screwdriver. You can actually adjust them by hand if you need to do that.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button so others can find it, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my website, natefixesit.com, and check the description of this video for links to the tools and parts that I use to complete the job.